Right, we're up to, we're just disconnecting the air pipes that go to the EP unit, well from the EP unit to the gearbox, and this is just a pipe clamp, 13mm bolt which we've just undone. You just need a spanner and a ratchet or 2 spanners, undo it, comes in half, and then that makes the pipes free. We've already disconnected the pipes on the EP unit, again they're just a standard brass. It's 5/8 for the 5/8 brass union, because the pipes are flared at the ends, and my assistant is just undoing the gearbox end, and then we will lift these pipes, but they're attached to the gearbox by this pipe clamp, and that's just really just to stop them vibrating. So obviously you need somebody to go underneath and undo them, and that's where we're up to at the moment. Once we've got these disconnected, we will lift them out of the way. They will need a bit of jiggery pokery to get them out, because they come from underneath the EP unit, round bend, then they come round a sweeping bend, and then obviously they're connected in different places along the side of the box, so obviously they'll need a little bit of jiggling to get out. There we go, right, they're undone now, they're all loose, so we will try and retrieve them from underneath. Right, hang on, Steve. I might have to undo this other pipe clamp, might have to take them out individually. Just have a look.
We're going to need some way of marking them then.
Yeah, I don't know if they, I don't think they'll come out. They might, hang on a minute, if you just take them back your way a bit, Steve.
Yeah.
Just, that's it. Right, just, right, here we go. They go back your way a little bit.
No, that's it.
No, hang on a bit. That's it, right, you can feed them up, Steve, now we've got them. They're jammed underneath the EP unit.
What you need to do is get out the piston.
Well, to be fair, if the thingy wasn't here,
What?
the doofer, that'd give us a little bit more room.
Yeah, but what I mean is these are up, they're not going to clear. The bend is too severe for them to go between the box and the chassis.
No, but if I can thingy them round, take them back your, let's see if I can pull these ones round. That's it. Just trying to get them. Need to get them. Take them back your way a bit. If I can pull this side up a bit, I might be able to.
Yeah, that's why there isn't the clearance between this chassis and the bends on them.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's why if I undo this pipe clamp, then they'll come out. You'll be able to jiggle them. It's just with them being thingied together, innit?
The only way I can actually see it doing it is if we remove the mounting bracket. This mounting bracket.
Well, yeah, we might have to do that then to get it in. I think if there was, you see, that'll come up. You'll just have to just.
Where you've got the. So don't separate them yet.
No, I'm just undoing it, Steve. I'm just getting it. Brought this pipe.
Same day I said, well, he hasn't, so
Yeah, cheap.
Right, just removing the pipes and marking them up, because we're going to have to separate them to get them out. So we need to know where they're going to go.
6 months ago.
Fucking shit.
Yeah, well,
I've got too many buses on my hands at the moment, so I don't want another one.
yeah. Oh, you're the boss of guns, is that? Yeah, well, I'd have bought the other one, 461, but it sold that to Rogers. They took the engine out of it.
He was Carden.
Yeah. Well, then obviously he's had his licence to pocket mine. So.
that? Hangback. Bang through the back.
Do you know what? They're a piece of piss. I can take the engine out of one of them in 35 minutes. Flat.
Take this
I
shit.
didn't have 35 minutes. Put it through the back, chain onto the engine. Swung it round, dropped it.
Is that another volunteer I can hear?
Got a couple of hours.
That's ridiculous. But the thing was, it was a good bus, the other one as well.
Yeah, it was a good engine, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a good engine.
Oh yeah, that he said it's the best one. He reckoned it was the best one. Yeah, so it's the best one. But the alternator sees, they put a new belt on it, and the alternator sees, so I'll have to swap the alternator.
Have you got one?
No. I'll have to get it.
Is it the same as the one you
I don't know, that's the big one, that's 155 amp on that, because there's a small 95 amp, that's the biggest that's on that one. It's I think it's from like an AC 172 or something like that. Yours might be, I don't know, it might have, because for some reason they fitted big alternators on the darts.
Right, I'm going to do the same the other end. Right, doing the same as we did the other end. I'm going to tape them and mark them. So when we take them out, we know which way they go back.
That's what that is, that's a spectra, that. That's a DAF, isn't it? So that's just a spectrum underneath.
Up to the back there.
Oh, you've got
The
that
last one.
Fucking useless tape.
Yeah, we see
Just take this crap.
spectra I've got is the only one who's lying next to it, but the one I've got, body number 8, then it's on the bill. But the first two didn't go on the road because the first two got used for destructive testing. So actually, man gone in the sixth one that ever went on the road. Well, Tannock Valley, they've just scrapped a spectre because I wanted to go down there and rob bits off it, but it went for scrap. Yeah, well, sold one for sale and then they had one in the yard, but I don't think
Yeah, holding the marker on. Yeah, hang on, wait, hang on. Because these pipes moved and I'm only guessing now that I've got them in the right way. All the pipes moved. Yeah, hang on, don't undo any more just yet. Oh, I lost my marker. Yeah, so
When it comes to taking it out first, if it moves.
What?
So if, you know, when they go back on, if they skew with, you're going to find out first. Never good for them together.
Yeah.
Box is a bit longer than the old.
To be fair, if we take the speed control and the mounting off, we'll be able to take them off without thing. But they'll only go back in the same place anyway, so it doesn't, because the way they're bent, so they'll only go back really where they're from, so it's not a massive headache. Yeah, well that's the thing, but that with the body off, they just lift this.
But yeah, all the work, but the RT's had a chassis, no faults and chassis, and these body tanks, fuel tank, gearbox is the
No, but this is on the chassis, isn't it, not the body. Well,
this is bolt to the body. This is the body. There's an A-frame at the front that has to be on by the front seats. The B frame is down here for the rear axle. They do not need it. There is no chassis. In the middle is the body.
body, yeah.
The guy who designed it said that the one just sitting there with the chassis. So you can do away with the chassis. Eight extra seats.
These deckers, the plate is fully loaded at 17 tons, like my Spectra's 17 tons loaded.
Alright, that's it. That's them all marked.
No, you've done it now, stopped having babies.
Yeah.
You filming it, James? Right, just finish doing this.
Right, just go and do the main feed pipe there, and then that way the gears can get removed. Right. fits.
So I'll put it all together, it's cracky, isn't it? Right. Yeah, I'm going to have to tighten this bolt up again.
Right. Main pipe is 1 inch.
Right.
He's still recording up there.
And get this bloody pipe clamp on. Like that should. That's bloody broken anyway, isn't it?
Fun with him.
Yeah.
You having fun with him?
Can't get the bolt undone. Can't get the bolt undone for the pipe clamp. Seized. Let's get rid of that.
Yeah, we should be able to just actually feed it out. Should be able to feed them off that spike clamp thing.
Jump underneath there.
Hang on. Right, there you go.
Hang on. That's it. Hey. Right. Let's gearbox pipes out. Sorted.
Right. Clamp.
Have you? You could take these off.
Yeah, undo this one here. Then
Yeah,
this whole thing
and then just leave the clamp on. So just undo it.
Yeah.
Undo
Okay.
it. I'll see if I can crack it off here. Yeah, because I know you've got. If you just pull them off these 2 pipes here, you're all right.
I can't
Yeah.
get to that cunt.
Here, pass us a spanner,
I
Steve.
don't think this is the right size. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. It might be.
No.
No.
Ooh.
Too.
Slightly too. There you go. It's a 24. No.
Yeah.
Might fit in. I don't know. Yeah, he was just about to like start rounding it. That's it.
Yeah, I know.
You don't round them off, Brassmond and deep sheet.
Oh, fucking hell.
That is tight, isn't it?
Oh,
No, it's starting to slip.
Jesus. Fuck me. I can't get a fucking grip on that bastard.
Let's give it a see if I can.
Hit it well. Fucking hell. That's it. I cracked it.
There you go. So, there you go. You should be able to get it. Right, we're just undoing the compressor pipes now. Now we've undone the Jubilee clips that hold the rubber pipes on. Now we're just undoing the unions which hold the pipes on. And then we'll remove the compressor from the job. But at the minute it's just stripping out stuff to get at other stuff.
Yeah, I could probably get some under here now because I can manoeuvre these around. It's gone loose.
That's it. I'll go.
As it goes, they can stay on the pipes.
Yeah, just leave them on,
Just
Steve.
bend the fucking thing out the line.
Right, right, Steve. We'll lift this EP unit up into the bus.
Right, okay. Right.
That's it. Right.
Now this could be a problem.
Right, is
I
there
might have to remove this plug first.
right, okay. Yeah, just drop it down on the floor. Right,
As
just
it
took
goes, if there's enough cable on it, yep.
There we go. Right, that's the EP unit removed.